Given that x plus 2 is a factor of px cubed plus 18x squared minus 4x minus 8, write down an equation satisfied by p, hence show that p is equal to 9. Solve the equation 9x cubed plus 18x squared minus 4x minus 8 equals 0. Okay, let's have a look at this then. Here's the question then. Here, this is part A then. What have we got then? This is a factor, so f of minus 2 is equal to 0, isn't it? Put minus 2 in here. Minus 2 cubed is minus 8p. And then minus 2 in here would be 4. Minus 2 squared is 4. 4 18s are 72. Minus 2 in here. Minus 2 times minus 4 is plus 4 2s are 8. And then we've got a minus 8, haven't we? And f of minus 2 by the factor theorem equals 0, because x plus 2 is a factor. So that tells us then, move the 8p over there, write it down from right to left. 8p is equal to, these two cancel, and we're left with 72 on the other side. So all I've done is moved the 8p over here, written it down from right to left, divide by 8, p is equal to 9. 72 over 8 is 9. So there's p. Okay, that's part A. Now part B then, we need to divide here. So what have we got then? We've got 9x cubed plus the 18x squared minus 4x minus 8 is equal to, and it's going to be x plus 2 as a factor, and then we'll have ax squared plus bx plus c as our other term to give the cubic. Now we know a is going to be 9 because because we can see that's 9x cubed, so we could put that in straight away if we wanted without putting a b and a c, because we know a is 9. So that's that done. Okay, now the x squared or the constant, well we know c, if you put x as 0 in here you'll get minus 8. Here, put 0 in for x, you get 2 times c. That needs to be minus 8, so c needs to be minus 4. Let's put that in here. Okay, so that gives us the minus 8 constant term, doesn't it? As we said, also you could put x as 0 in both sides. And you can see that product needs to be minus 8 to give that number. So the only thing that remains is b. So we can either get it from the x squared terms or the x terms is either of those two. So let's get it from the x terms, I think. Let's equate the coefficients on both sides. So minus 4 is equal to, now the x term is minus 4x is here. And then it's plus 2b plus 2b lots of x. That's the other x term. Oh, and we can see that b must be 0. B is 0. So f of x then is equal to x plus 2. And then we've got 9x squared. The b was 0 minus 4. This is the difference between two squares. So this would be x plus 2. And it would be 3x minus 2, wouldn't it? And 3x plus 2. So that gives us solutions. So this equals 0 when x is equal to minus 2 for this one. X is equal to, here it would be 2/3, wouldn't it? And here it would be minus 2/3. And those are the three solutions we've obtained.